What do you got over there?
12, 14.
How about a 25, 60
Here
third?
we go. Here we go.
A 25, 60 third?
Here's a 69, 420.
Okay, here's some stuff.
Another 12.
Need. 10 millimeter for battery. Air inflator for tires.
A 13.
13. That's your year? That's your age?
Shoe size, buddy. Shoe size.
That's shoe size. What are you doing? You lost? Spark plug wrench. I already cleaned up all the tools. Now we're taking tools back out. Different tools. Now we need spark plug wrenches. We use those. Okay, we gotta figure out. You know those universal Allens over there. You had those T-wrenches. We gotta find a small one for over here. Perfect. So we're going to do a tune-up on the bike because we have no idea what anything is. And he thinks he wants to ride the bike.
He thinks?
Not just listen to it. What kind of ignition in here, Walker?
Oh, look at that.
What?
What kind of ignitions you got?
Let me have a look.
What's the coil over there?
What?
What kind of coils you got? That should tell you.
It's a dual. So
Dual.
he's probably got points.
Ooh, it's got points.
Called it!
What was that?
Yeah!
Dumbass. Where's Mario when you need him? All right. Pull up screwdriver, that's for you.
How these plugs looking? Ooh, they're looking hot. That one's kind of got some shit on it.
Walker knows all about this stuff. Well, those are those big fat ass plugs.
Yeah, look at that.
Those are usually resistor plugs. Oh, they are resistor plugs. 5RL. Why do you got resistor spark plugs for electronic ignition in your Harley Davidson with point ignition?
The dude that had this done goofed.
That don't work very well. What kind of a coil do you got over there? Is it a 3 ohm coil or a 5 ohm coil or a 4 ohm coil?
69 ohm.
Did it say 65A on it someplace?
Well,
Or 5 ohm?
no, it says nothing.
Yeah. Where's your ohm meter at? Maybe you should check it.
Well, let me just pull it out of my pocket
Here.
real quick.
Here. If you don't have the right coil, it runs really bad.
Yeah, it doesn't have any numbers or anything. It's got the...
Numbers or anything?
Timing hole plug. So we already got mismatched components. We haven't got very far yet.
Well, there's the problem.
We can take Walker's ignition. That's good to go.
Oh yeah, it is. That thing's fucking fire.
It's got point timing in it and everything. Just plug out.
Yep.
Plugs? Yeah.
Spark plug. Timing hole plug.
Timing
No.
hole plug? No.
I'll give you the wrench. Pull it up.
I don't know where that is. Watch us.
Right there.
Here. Show them how it's done over there, Walker.
This guy right here.
Oh, you got hydraulics in this motor.
Is that good?
I don't think so, but means you don't have to adjust the valves.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Yeah,
Don't strip it either.
Remember we had mine strip out?
I didn't touch yours.
No, like when I first brought it in back, like, what was it,
you mean
fucking 6 years ago?
You mean 3 cases ago?
Yeah.
So when you see spring-loaded lifters down there like that, that is a hydraulic lifter. That means we don't have to adjust these, unless there's something really, really wrong.
Well, that's cool.
So what else you got over there?
What do you mean, what else do we have
What are we
over here?
looking for?
We have a hole in the timing block now. I mean, a hole in the block.
Can I put this back in?
No, you're going to need that so you can time it.
Okay, we have to go here and put our finger over the hole.
Yeah, he's timing it.
Are we in gear?
It seems like it is.
Are we in gear?
Now it should be out.
How come it's sucking over here?
Because it's on a different cycle. Oh! Oh no! You spat oil all over it, man. You're fucking
Is
mean.
there oil in there?
Yeah, there's oil in there, you big dum-dum.
Where's my rag?
Jeez, oh, there goes the pants.
These are...
They're work pants now.
Yep.
Okay, this is called a what? What's this called?
That is called a depth gauge.
Top dead center indicator.
Okay.
Depth gauge.
Let me see what's top dead center indicator. It goes in the hole. Now we have blowing. What's the mean when it's blowing out of here?
It means it's on its compression stroke.
There you go. Okay, now when it's all the way up, we know it's getting close.
It's stopped.
Okay, get your eyeballs down there
Where?
Where
That
the
one's-
oil's gonna spray into?
and look for something that looks like a timing mark of some type.
Oh, down here.
It should be a line.
Okay.
We got
There's a
one.
whole
We got one.
dot.
One dot dead center.
I don't want a dot. I want a line.
All right. Keep going.
What year's this motor?
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
75?
Keep going.
There's a line.
There.
No, where?
I mean,
Big
is that
line.
No,
not?
no, no.
Keep going.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Should be close.
No, it's not.
Is that not
You
the
went
line?
past it. You're gonna have to do a whole. Oh,
Oh,
well, you
back.
totally went past it. You're gonna have to go all the way around again. Move out of the way because he's gonna squirt oil all over
I
you.
would put that plug back in that hole over there for a minute. I don't know why you took that thing out and then turned the motor over like that.
God damn it, Keenan.
All right, go.
You good? Okay, what are we looking for now, Walker?
We're looking for the line.
How come it's hard to turn?
Yeah.
Suction on it.
All right.
That thing back out.
Not yet. I ain't gonna run it.
There you go.
Compression. Okay, we're coming up.
You trying to fucking squirt me with oil, you son of a bitch?
Okay. Why, did it come out again?
No,
you're on the dot.
you're on the single dot again there, guy.
I don't want a dot, I want a line. What year are these flywheels?
All right, here, give me that. Give me your top dead thing. I'm gonna push it
Flywheels do you
back.
have over there? Are those nice and smooth, shiny flywheels, or are they just the old shitty looking stuff?
No, they're smooth.
These are probably S&S wheels. Yeah, that's why there's no marks. What do you got in there? There's a hole.
Yeah, dot.
Dot. Dot. Are there two dots lined over going around with lazy 8 or anything like that?
No, because the last time we saw this one, it kicked around. You just got to go slow.
Yeah.
They're fucking kickmaster over here.
There's my Phillips. My indicator up here. We're coming up quick.
Slow. Go slow.
That pace is working.
We're almost there.
No, we're not.
So,
I can tell. There's no line.
Not yet. Keep going.
Keep going.
Slow down. There you go.
Slow.
Stop.
Wait, yeah, now we can move it over.
what's that say?
Yeah, you went past it, you big dum-dum.
What's that?
Now you're fucking advanced. Or wait, no, when it goes forward, it's retarded, right?
Yeah, it's just like Walker here.
Right? That's retarded.
That is not a factory. Yeah, it is. I mean, this thing right here,
Yeah.
thing right back there.
You did not get it in there.
I was trying to. There, I heard it go in that time. That's a little skinny ass mark. Usually don't.
Hey.
Yeah.
Give me the smaller screwdriver over there. Not that one, the other one.
I don't care which one it is.
How come there's oil over here?
Because you spat it all over us, you gremlin. Now you did it backwards.
Okay, you happy?
No, because now it's retarded.
That's advanced.
Oh, it's backwards, it's advanced?
Advanced retard.
I was right.
Give me a rag out. Steal my rag. Wipe my
Here,
screwdriver off.
we need a clean. Jesus.
There's all kinds of clean rags right here.
Yeah, there's one right there.
Yeah, I just
Right
cleaned it.
there. Yeah, you took a clean rag and made a dirty rag. You just take a dirty rag and make
That is not a clean rag.
It isn't anymore. You used it. Okay, what are you on right now?
Top 10 center.
You sure? Okay, what about over here?
What are we looking at?
Let's come over here now.
I can't get over there.
I have to go soon. Yeah.
Are we at top dead center right now? It looks like we are. It's pretty high up. That looks like it's just about ready to go down again.
It is, because it's a top 10 center because of the line.
Put the C drive over here. The pump will go down when I do this.
Go. It's going down.
So you have late flywheels.
Oh, no, that was. Oh.
Who's your toning hole plug?
What happened?
Oh, nothing. I saw something and it really spooked me out.
Oh, really?
Yeah. There was nothing to do with your bike.
Put the plug in there, we're gonna squirt you again.
You fucking
Put it in
squirt me. I swear to God.
Right in the camera.
Yeah.
A little bit. And...
Coming up again.
All right.
Going down again. Coming up again.
All right. Hold on, so I can see what you're fucking doing there, guy.
Okay. Is a dot nearby?
No,
What happened to it?
it's
Probably-
not there.
Probably went by it.
Yeah, you have. Keep going slow.
Dot's gone.
Yeah, the dot is gone. It's been gone. Keep going.
Okay, put the thing back in there so I can turn it over again.
Here, I'll do it. You got the camera. Give me that.
Yeah, I gotta go. Yep. Get out of here.
Time for work to be done, he's leaving.
Yeah, you guys can actually get some work done now.
Work done.
Here, wipe that off.
Did you break it?
No, just dropped in dirt.
That's alright. There's a clean rag around here somewhere.
All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
All right.
Tomorrow? When are you
Yeah.
here tomorrow?
I'm gonna be here tomorrow because you know it's gonna be really weird. Is my bike is gonna be on this rack
This bike is gonna be done.
and it's gonna be it's gonna be done by the time I come in tomorrow. Fucking sick, dude.
This bike will be done by then.
How are we,
I'll see you guys
how are we
tomorrow.
getting it off the rack?
Walker's gonna help us.
You want what? You getting it off right now?
Tomorrow?
Oh yeah, yeah. I'll help you guys out tomorrow.
We'll be back.
See you tomorrow.